Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to export stems in FL Studio. Ensure every audio track in your playlist is assigned to a unique mixer track. This way each part of your song will be kept separate during export. Now go through your mixer channels and turn off EQs, reverbs, delays, and compressors and limiters, as these typically not a part of the sound design and arrangement. Keep creative effects like filtering, automation, sidechain, distortion, etc. It's important to turn off all effects on the master bus. Now, highlight the entire length of your song, making sure to include time of decay, reverb, tails, and delays to avoid cutting them off. Hold Ctrl or CMD, then click on the drag from the beginning to a few bars after the last sound. Go to File, Export and WAV file. Choose the folder where you want to save your items and add the song name and tempo information on the folder name for better organization. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.